So, 8:30 na, no? Wala pa yung iba? Or hindi pa sila habol?
Hindi pa nakakapag-join. For presidents na yung mga nandito.
Pero, kinakausap mo sila ngayon. You're in communication with them. Tama?
Oo, chinachat ko naman sila.
Nagre-reply naman sila.
Hindi, nagsisin.
Sige. Recorded naman to. So, okay naman na ano lang tayo dito. I think, four presidents and you, saka si SSLG representative natin na si Jillian. And PNHS Auditing Services na representative na si Clifford. Yan, no? Sige. Ah, para mabilis tayo matapos, start na tayo ngayon, no? So, greetings muna. Yes?
Hindi na kita paglalagay ng pagkain na sa
Oo.
onsawan ng magbigay ng pagkain
O
sa
sige, close mo yan. Huwag niyo ako kasaka.
Ha?
Sige. Mamaya na. Sige, start na tayo. First of all is greetings. Sige, sorry about that, no? Excuse me for that, no? So, yeah, start tayo sa greetings. So, hello everybody, hello presidents, or the representative, I believe you are the residents and representatives of each of your respective classrooms or ambassadors ng mga classrooms yun, no? So, yan, I'd like to thank you for your patience din kasi medyo na-delay yung design natin kasi marami nga lang pumapasok na traffic within sa akin. So, yan. So, let's start na tayo sa presentation natin. Share ko lang yung screen ko. Where is it? Kita ba? You can use the chat box na nandun sa baba para alam ko na nag-engage kayo at naririnig niyo ako. So, kita ba? Kita ba yung presentation?
Yes.
Okay, yan. Nice. So, let's start. So, yan, di ba? This is a product presentation ng sample design na hiningi niyo sa akin, which you've chatted me personally, no? So, before we start with the presentation ng product or ng design talaga, I would like to guide you na yung purpose. The purpose and objective and some instructions sa ano na to, sa presentation na to. So, ano ba yung purpose ng ating Zoom call? This is for better communication between me, you, the committee of grade 10, and me as the one who will design yung damit nyo. No? It is for professionalism kasi we are all here future professionals, no? Mas maaga mag-train tayo ng mas maaga, magsanay tayo ng mas maaga to be more come out or be more professional. So number 3, yun. Mas maganda yung output na nabigay namin sa inyo. Kasi gusto namin yung design na bibigay namin is hindi lang for free, no? Mas maganda na magugustuhan talaga, no? We care about what you think and we care about what we output sa inyo. So number 4, so bakit nga ba ito important? Bakit tayo nandito? Kung yung objective natin is for you to understand the design, bakit natin kailangan understand yung design? First is, kung makakakita ka ng design, 'di ba? Yung design lang yan, maganda. Pero if you understand the design in a deeper level, you will build a sense of una is importance to the design. Second is more connection to the design. And number 3, nakasunod dito sa ano ko, is you will be more attached sa design. So yun. Sa objectives naman, understanding the concept ng design. Number 2 is para mabilis natin matapos to. Para mabilis tayong makapunta sa goal natin na ito yung design. And then we'll start printing. Number 3 is talk about the plans na mangyayari kung kailan niyo gusto makuha to, no? Yun. So for the instructions, simple lang. I want you all to be cooperative, no? Mag-cooperate kayo sa presentation natin na to. So para mabigay natin yung mas magandang output, no? So you may give your comments, suggestions, and ask questions. So let's start with the actual So first is the agenda and overview na gagawin natin. So yan, overview and agenda, number 1. Number 2 is brand identity. I will explain that later on, ano ba ang sabihin ng brand identity. Pero yan, brand identity. Next is the design showcase. Dito ko na ipapakita yung design talaga na nagawa natin. And number 4 is comments and suggestions. Kung meron ba kayong violent reactions, meron ba kayong gustong tanggalin, bawasan, dagdag dun sa design mismo. And number 5 is live application. So yung mga comments and suggestions nyo, ilalagay na natin mismo dun sa design or gagawin na natin mismo dito during the Zoom call, no? Yan, sige. So moving on is the brand identity. Ano ba ang brand identity? Siguro tinanong mo na, what is brand identity? Ano to? Hindi naman namin hiningi ito. So I will actually give you more than just your sample request. Di ba nag-request kayo ng sample design sa akin? I will give you more than that. I will offer it for free. Libre na to for all sa inyo, no? So yan. What is brand identity? A brand identity, yan. Sabi sa Investopedia, a brand identity is composed of various branding elements like a company's name, logo, visual elements, language, and tone of voice. So basically, pag tinignan mo yung itong let's say design na to, ano yung nararamdaman mo? Yung kunwari yung audience mo, ano yung mararamdaman nila? Ano yung nakikita nila? Ano yung feeling na pumapasok sa kanila pag nakita nila yung design na yun, 'di ba? So we will talk about the design in a deeper level basically. So moving on is the color. Part of brand identity is the color you picked. You gave me the color red. We use the hex 731011 which is roughly the color of the t-shirt na napili nyo. So moving on is brand personality. This is the gist of it, no? Ito na yung important. So you gave me 4 keywords sa inyong design na gusto. You gave me 4 keywords. 1 is fun, number 2 is simple and minimal, number 3 is modern and unique, number 4. So yun yung tatry natin to incorporate with the design. So yan. So yan, keywords, fun, minimal, modern, unique. So, ano yung pwede natin ilabas dyan? Ano ba yung pwede natin makuha dyan? Makita dyan, no? So, here we go. Yan. For fun, a fun student who is serious, minimal. Kasi ang minimal, parang titignan mo. Ano yan? Mas serious tignan, mas malinis tignan, di ba? So, a fun student who is serious and modern. And sa modern is parang pag tinignan natin yung mga modern designs, modern logos, makikita natin malinis sila tignan. They're sleek. They come out more educated and demure, sabi nga. So, lastly is the keyword unique, and sa design nyo, you want to stand out, di ba? So, next is the color you've picked. So, kung some of you here, alam niyo na siguro na, or some of you na siguro may interest din sa design, is you know that there is color psychology, which means kung tinignan mo tong color na to, ano ang mararamdaman mo. So you pick the color red, which shows passion and desire, which are very very deep very very deep emotions na malalagay talaga natin, and we will have fun putting it in the design, no? So yan. So you want a design that is, pag tinignan kayo, you are fun, pero you come out serious, and you come out educated, pero kakaiba rin kayo sa mga iba. Sa ibang design, sa ibang grade, sa ibang schools, no? Who is filled with passion, di ba? Okay. Moving on. Doon na tayo sa brand identity, which is under it is taglines. So, nilagyan ko rin and binigyan ko rin kayo ng taglines. This is just an example. Pero you can use it, of course, no? You can use it, pero this is just an example. Ibig sabihin nun, you can make your own tagline na gusto nyo i-incorporate sa design, which is very customizable naman, which is also for free, no? For free. Next is the typeface, yung types na ginamit natin. So we thought about, syempre, in a design, hindi naman lang pwede na, ito, try natin tong font na to, try natin yung font na yan, try natin tong font na to. Ano yung babagay, ganun. No, we need to think about it in a deeper level to maximize yung design natin to give a good output, no? Yun. So we picked three fonts, which is number one is Varsity Team. Titignan mo tong font na to, in my opinion, okay? If you look at this font, it comes out very bulky, which comes out mas strong, matatag, di ba? It's like a strong foundation. And number two is color. I mean Varsity Team signature, which comes out more modern, which comes out more, actually not modern, no? You know what you're doing. Parang pag tinignan mo, signature, what do you call this? Paano ba natin to, ano? Parang, mas ano siya, meron siyang meaning na you are more educated, di ba? Number 3 is accent font. Ibig sabihin nun is this adds harmony to the combination of fonts natin, no? Yan, parang nasa gitna siya. Makikita nyo paano natin siya i-apply mamaya. So next is we gave you and we built you a logo based from the keywords you given me, no? So una, triangle lang yan. Paano naging logo yan? You may ask yourself, no? So, there's actually a deeper concept behind the logo na nilagay natin. Actually, this symbol is from the Greek symbol of 10, number 10, which is Deca. No, Deca. So, yun. Ano ba ang Deca? Actually, bago pala natin puntahan yan. I gave you a logo, pero what's its use, diba? Sabi natin, what's its use? Pero this actually just complements the design. Pero hindi natin ito nalagay sa actual design, no? Kasi you did not request for it. Pero this just complements what potential this can go through, no? Ano yung pwede natin gamitin? Paano natin pwedeng ayusin? Paano nyo pa yung time na ginamit natin dito sa presentation na to. So yung logo na to, you can use it if you want. You can request with sa SSLG, sa principal, that you will have your own organization. I'm not telling you to do it, pero you can do it. Kasi that's what we do in my school back in Pampanga High School, no? So yun. So you actually, as presidents ngayon, is the ambassadors of each classroom. You are an organization na. But all of you are organized to come up with this design, to come up with not the design, pero to work together para mabigay yung damit. Basically, you are organized. So yun. Backtrack tayo. So moving on. So logo. I gave you a logo. So ano ba the meaning ng logo na to? So, if you don't know, the Greeks, sadya natin ginamit yung Greek symbol, no? Because the Greeks were known for their strength, their battle prowess, their strength in the battlefield, their perfect body, their being strong. Parang meron silang influence sa world nun, sa Europe nun. Because una is, kung search nyo to, pwede nyo search, is they choose, yung mga Greeks na to, they have bulky na katawan. They want to show up as strong, di ba? Yun. So, yun yung parang meaning behind nito, dito. And not only that, it is a triangle. The triangle is the strongest shape sa lahat ng shapes. It is used in construction, di ba? So, it basically communicates to the viewer na ito kami, ganyan, diba? Wait lang. Yan. Having a logo, actually, having a logo makes you already unique. We checked the word keyword unique ulit kasi you having a logo, not everyone in Pasig has an organization like this or future kung gagawin nyo man. Siguro kung i-apply nyo to, maraming mga grade levels na susunod sa inyo which will make you a trendsetter, no? So moving on, yan. Just an example of how you can use it, how I will give it to you for free na, no? So yan. Yan. Lastly is the mission and values. Mission and values. For me, what makes a great design? It is a great design has or shows the mission and values of the, let's say, person or the organization on its design. So yun yung goal natin to use it. Pero ito, actually, it's just a sample. Like dun sa tagline, you can change this, you can work with it, you can send it to me. I will try to incorporate it with the design. This is just an example to show you ano yung ba yung potential na we can move sa design na to. So that is the brand identity showcase na ibibigay ko sa inyo. So next is the actual design. Design na tayo. Mabilis lang tayo, na. We are in the actual design na. So design showcase. So una is the front design na build natin, which is, here we go. Yan. Diba? Nandun yung logo sa baba. So grade 10 scholar. I'll show you, I'll explain to you each of the element, no, that na ginamit natin dito. Yan. Every element that we've used has a meaning behind it para which makes you unique, which makes you more modern. Why? Kasi kung titignan nyo is sa logo ng FedEx, they have a meaning behind their logo. You can search that up. Well, wala akong picture to show it to you, pero most of the designers, logo designers na in today's world, in this modern world, has deeper meanings behind their designs. No, yun. So, una, to explain the design to you, is word choice. Why choose Scholar? Diba? The Scholar is different, which makes you, again, unique. Scholar, may dating yan. Kung papakinggan mo yung Scholar, may dating yan. When you look, not just when you look at it, pero when you hear it and when you read it. Which Scholar actually is just a synonym of student. Diba? Which it just sounds better. It just sounds better, diba? Yun. Next is we added and put a tagline underneath. Yun. Actually, I don't see much ng mga damit, class t-shirts that use this kind of that they have their own ideas, their concept is fully formed, like nandito ngayon, which I gave you even a tagline na pwede nyo ilagay, pwede nyo i-customize. So yun, we used a strong bold font, parang pag titignan mo tong font na to, yung it has a strong foundation, sabi ko nga kanina, di ba? This is the Varsity Team font. It has a strong foundation, parang malakas, parang may dating, parang matibay. That's the word I was looking for. Matibay, no? Matibay na parang pag titignan mo matibay siya, di ba? Ganun. And next is the burning passion. This element na adds fun to the so which checks off another keyword, adds fun to the design, 'di ba? Because kung tatanggalin natin yung yung yes, wala dito. Sorry. Kung tatanggalin natin yung apoy, it's just very minimal, which is another word, another keyword, pero you gave me the word fun, 'di ba? So we will put it into the design. So yun, the fire adds a little bit of spice. Sabi nga, spice sa design. And lastly is the on the horizon. On the horizon is a phrase used in some literature, movies, ganun. So ano ba ang meaning ng on the horizon? I'll show it to you. So yan. On the horizon, phrase from the dictionary, collinsdictionary.com, no? On the definition of on the horizon, if something is on the horizon, is almost certainly going to happen. Yun. From that word, a burning passion that is on the horizon. 'Di ba? Yun. Ah, that's the front design. Done na tayo dyan. Let's move on to the back design. Here we go. Next. Yan. For the back design, it is very minimal, very konti lang. Pero there's also meaning behind each and every element we put in here. No, don't. So yan. Here, I'll explain it to you na, no? So first is, yun nga, andyan pa rin yung on the horizon. I put the 3 core values na nakalagay kanina, which is the passion, unity, and strength. Yun. And then, next is the foundation of values. Kung titignan nyo kasi, meron line yan, which the section name is on. The section name is on the line. The line represents a foundation of your core values, which is passion, unity, and strength. Diba? And moving on, it's another, the strong bold font, which comes out a bit matibay. That's the word. Matibay, diba? And we put the school name for the identity, for your identity. No? Doon, Pasig National High School, diba? And then lastly, the last element we've used here is the circle behind the design. Excuse me. Which is what I call a unity ring. Parang this symbolizes unity between all the sections. Diba? Yun. That's it. Yun na yung design. Yun na yung presentation natin. So, let's move on to the next agenda, which is suggestions and comments. Wala nang slide next, no? So, open na tayo dito for open forum na. Sige. Kung gusto niyo magsalita, just open your mic. Kung gusto mag-suggest, kung ayaw niyo magsalita, you can chat it in the chat box. No? Sige. Kung wala naman, sabihin niyo lang. Reynold?
Guys, any suggestion about sa shirt? Nangingi siya ng suggestion.
Sayang hindi tayo kompleto ngayon, no? So, pero that's okay. We will just try natin next time kung gusto niyo. Live application na lang tayo nun. Wala na tayong presentation kasi tapos na tayo sa presentation.
O sakali man, malalaman na kagad naman yung presyo kung magkano.
Hindi pa kasi I'm actually working with my partner ngayon. Pero I will send it to you as soon as possible. Na. Ikaw na lang mag-relay sa kanila.
Sige, sige. Presidents, wala kayong any questions? Aaron? Francine?
Suggestions within the design. Kung final na to, sabihin nyo lang. We will start working on it. Na.
Ako wala. Okay ako dun sa design. Maganda. Meaningful. Tas unique tignan.
Thank you. So this is up to you na to decide na, no? Kung gusto nyo yung, what is this? The PowerPoint, I will send it to you. Chat mo lang ako, Reynald, no?
Sige, sige. Para mapakita ko rin sa kanila sa sa
Mm.
GC. Sa mga hindi nag-attend.
Yun. Thank you po.
Hi, Julian.
Hello. For me, it's good. Perfect.
Nice. So, wala na ba? Is that final? Any violent reactions, comments, suggestions?
May tanong lang po ako.
Sige.
Ano po, aabot po ba ng 300 pesos yung price?
I think not. Hindi naman siguro. Pero
Sige po.
I would suggest, at isa pala to sasabihin ko na. So I would suggest sa inyong mga presidents, no, na sabihin niyo na yung mga klase nyo na mag-ipon na. Around 250 to 300. Pero that doesn't mean na yun na yung price. It's just para mabilis lang tayo. Kasi minsan meron hindi nagbabayad agad. So mas maganda makapag-start na tayo ng maaga, no? Para hindi tayo
Okay
wala
po.
tayong problem sa operations natin. Sige. Any other questions? May 10 minutes lang tayo sa Zoom call natin. Is that it? Wala na ba? Just magano lang kayo, mag-react lang kayo sa either sa chat box or sa yung react button diyan. You can use the chat box. Reynold? Yun na lang, yun tapos na ba? Wala na ba kayong Parang wala na eh. So, okay. Okay na daw. Sabi ni Francine. Sige. So, moving on is, yun. I'd like to lastly note, kung meron man sa inyo or sa yung mga wala dito, may gusto silang ipabago, will do that for free. No? We will do that for free. Sabihin nyo lang sa akin, we will do it. Done. Na. Okay? Next is, yun, plan natin. When is the deadline? Kailan, I would expect na dahil marami kayo, matatagalan kayo sa pag-collect ng pera. No? Right? So, kayo, kung kailan nyo ba gusto? Maganda sana either first week of July or I mean July, not July, November. Or the first week of November or before November. Reactions, comments?
Patingin daw po ulit ng back nung t-shirt.
Sumobra. Yan. I will send this to you no naman yung picture no para makita rin ng mga ng mga nyo ng mga classmates nyo. So don't worry. So yung dun sa sa deadline or kailan nyo gustong ma-release tong damit is entirely up to you. Sabihin ko na, this is entirely up to you kung kailan nyo gustong ma-release yung damit. Kung kailan ma-fulfill yung una is the down payment and the full payment. Dapat kompleto yon bago tayo magsimula. No? That's it. Yun lang naman. So kung mayroon kayo target date, sabihin nyo sa akin. Parang wala nang gustong eh. Okay na ba yan, Reynald?
Mga siguro, bago mag-Christmas party. Mga siguro mga November 20 something.
Kaya.
Ganun.
Just entirely up.
Kaya.
Kaya. So okay na ba? Let us end this presentation and Zoom call. Send ko na sa iyo agad after this. No, Reynald? And the recording then. We have 6 minutes. Sige. That's it. Thank you everyone na nag-attend. Thank you Clifford, John Reynald, and the SSLG representative Jillian. Salamat sa pakikinig. Yun lamang. You may leave this Zoom call na. So, we'll end